charming and pleasant morning to you all. Hope you all are doing good. We want you to make these lockdown days productive, and so we are here with handwriting improvement lesson. Hope you all will pay attention. Today we'll learn how to make cursive A to H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H, capital and small as well. Be ready with your pen and notebook. Make sure that you are using English Lines notebook. If you really want to improve your handwriting, use English Lines notebook. If you don't have, then draw lines on a plain paper as I have done. Okay, let's begin. First of all, you will observe how I am making capital A, small a. Second time, you will copy. Okay, with me. Right? Let's start. First of all, capital A. Fine. Yes. Before starting, I want to tell you about these four lines. First line is known as upper line. Second, middle line. Third is our base line. And fourth is tail line. Or you can say lower line. Okay. For making cursive letters, we must know about two important curves. So those two important curves are this curve starting with baseline. Take a curve from here and this. This curve is very important. Again, curve and this curve. Okay, these two curves will help you make your letters more beautifully. Fine. Capital A. We'll start from baseline. Take a curve. Go to the top line, base and capital A. Now again capital A, capital A, small a, small a. Take a curve that I told you, that curve. Yes, curve and this. How? Look again. Take a curve, make a C and this. Small a, capital A, small a. Now B. For B, we'll start from here. Down. This is our capital B. Again. Yes. Capital B. Now small b. Take a curve from here. Go to the top line. Then base. And then middle. How? See. Curve. Top. Down and this. Again. Capital B. Sorry. Small b. Capital B. Small b. Now capital C. For capital C, take a curve from baseline. Yes. Curve, go to the top line and this. Again, C. Small c, same, but in these two lines. Small c, take a curve, make a C. Fine. Now, capital D. Starting from here. Okay. Base, curve, and this. Again, this. Okay. Now, small d. For small d, we'll make a curve the same curve, and a C and this. Again, make a curve, C and small t. Okay, now capital E. Have you all made A, B, C, and D? Good. Now capital E. For capital E, we'll start from here. Which line it is? Middle line, right. Capital E. Again, take a curve, this. Okay, now small e, easy. Okay, now capital F. Take a curve, which curve? This curve. Okay, yes, F, capital F. Curve, baseline, curve. And one more. Again, take a curve, go to the baseline, and one more. Now small f. For small f, we'll take a curve from baseline. Okay? See how? Go to the top line, down, and this. Make sure that your this curve will not touch it. Okay? See how? Like this. Again, okay? Now it comes G, capital G. For capital G, which line? This is which line? Which line is this? Baseline, right. Take a curve, go to the top line and this. Again, G, capital G. Small g, for small g, we'll take a curve. Yes, curve, C and this. Again, take a curve, make a C and this. One more time. Do you want me to make? Yes. Curve, C and this. Now capital H. We'll start from here. Which line? Middle line. Yes. Look how. Take a curve from here, then top, base, and like this. This curve will go from here. Okay, and then once again. Okay, one more time. Okay, now small h. For small h, we'll take a curve from baseline. Yes. Okay, take a curve, go to the top line, down, and getting. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Now, practice these all letters at least 15 times in your notebook. Okay, or on a page. Fine. Thank you all. This was all for today.